It's a Stitch Fix day again. If you want to see what I got in my latest box, keep watching and we'll find out together. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I love to do clothing, subscription unboxing, shopping hauls, try-ons. If you like that kind of content, then I sure hope that you will hit that subscribe button so that we can hang out for the regular and hit the notification bell so you always know when I've uploaded a new video. And leave me a comment, leave me the like, all those things that help me grow my channel. And I really do appreciate you taking part of your day to watch my video. It means a lot to me. All right, Stitch Fix. 5 clothing pieces, 3 days to try them on. And you can extend that if you need to. They do a preview of 10 items and you can choose up to 5. I'm pretty sure I chose a couple, but I honestly cannot remember what I chose. So shipping is included, so they do include an envelope, a postage paid envelope. And let's see, limited time, get $50 off back to school style. Sign up a new kid or refer another parent and get $25 off theirs. Okay, so that's a promotion that they're having. This is the price list. And it looks like there is no note from my stylist. Okay, that's weird. There it is. We got some stripes, some pink, some blue. All right, let's get into it. So this is the first time I haven't gotten a note at all. Is it? Oh, they were doing away apparently with the Oh Hello card. There used to be cards that give you styling ideas, and the note is on the price list. So I'm trying not to look at the price list. Hello, Andrea. I hope that this fix finds you well. I'm so sorry that the last fix was a big miss. Happens. I do see that you found a couple of cute tanks to try from the fix preview, and I hope that they are winners. I dove back into our inventory to find an additional 3 items to complete this fix. Still not seeing white jeans, but I did find a pretty navy dress that I think you may like for your upcoming trip. I tried hard to avoid polyester and added some cute summer tops to try. Both will be perfect with shorts or with lightweight jeans. I hope that they work well. I'm anxious to see your try on with your feedback and crossing my fingers that you enjoy these items and find some to love. Let me know your thoughts. Enjoy, Marsha. Marsha's been my stylist for a while, I want to say 1.5 years, and she's great. She does a really, I was so frustrated and she took over my styling and has just been fabulous. All right, so on top we have a 9 BRITTON blue top in this, it feels like really nice material. It is the Breanna V-neck knit top. I would not call that a V-neck, I don't think. I would call that more of a scoop neck, kind of in between. And it looks like maybe cap sleeves, just straight across the bottom. Got slits on the side. Let's see what this is made of. It feels really nice. It is viscose, modal, and spandex. So that definitely has possibilities. Feels like it'll drape nice. And then we have a pink top by Liverpool. It is the sleeveless boat neck rib knit top, and they're calling it red. I feel like this is, it looks red in the camera, but in person I feel like it looks more like a bright pink. So it is a, what did they, I think they called it a boat neck, sleeveless, ribbed. That's nice, that feels good. Let's see what this is made of. Viscose, polyester, and elastane. And then we have a striped top by, who makes this? STACCATO. Never heard of them before. Roxanne back cutout knit tank in blue. And this is, it's like a royal blue. Looks like a scoop neck. It's got this twisty thing in the back and just straight hem. That looks really nice, feels really nice. Everything feels really nice. Rayon and spandex. Okay, Then we've got from GILLI, here's Lucy, the button front ribbed knit tank in black. And I think I chose this one. It's got the buttons and a V-neck, and it's got kind of like a texture to it. Straight hem. Shh, 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 shh. Then we've got a dress by Market and Spruce, the Marsha halter neck dress in navy. And this is a halter neck, smocked in the back. Looks like it might be a maxi. Feels like it might be rayon. Feels nice. Sorry, she loves to bump into the camera. I'll let her say hello in a second. And I'm not seeing the material tag. Okay. It feels kind of like a cottony. Okay. All right, so I will show you my outfit of the day. Here's Lucy, and then we'll try these things on. I am wearing shorts by Democracy, and the top is by Paper Moon. And the shoes, Italian Shoemakers. They're flip-flops. So split neck, it's got these rose gold kind of dots all over. And I think it's polyester. And then the shorts, they have these pockets, the double button, these fun details. All right, I am going to leave the shorts on while I try the tops on, and then we'll finish off with the dress. Okay, since the focus is the tops, this is the one by BRITTON, and it's really soft. It's got they called it a V-neck, but I feel like that's more of a scoop neck. And the cap sleeves, it does have pretty deep slits on the side. It is longer, so those V's make it a little harder to do a front tuck, because if you just do like that, then this looks weird. So you'd either have to do a full tuck, that looks weird too, or just wear it out. Maybe just wear it with some skinny jeans. It's really comfortable. I really like the color. I don't know if I love the neck, but it feels really good, very comfortable. There's from the back. Let me know what you think of this one. It's, it's kind of basic, but like I said, it's really comfortable. I wonder what it would look like tucked in. Hold on a second. So this is what it would look like tucked in, which I think is a good look also. You can't do a front tuck with it because of the deep slits, but I think you could totally do, a full tuck. And I think that looks good also. I think that maybe looks better unless you're gonna do like the skinny jeans. All right, let me know what you think about this one, and we'll try another one on. This is the tank from Liverpool. And I like it, feels good. Love the color. Color is gorgeous. It has got the ribbing. You can see my bra a little bit, and I think that would be okay. It's got the wider boat neck. I like this a lot. I think this is really cute color. I mean, it's kind of a basic tank, but it's really nice color. I like the ribbing. Yes, I like the neckline because it's not just a plain crew. I kind of don't like plain crews, so I like that it's a little bit wider with the bow neck. What do you think of this one? I think this is probably going to be a keeper depending on the price. All right, let's keep going. Another cute top. So this is the blue and white striped one, and this one, you can't see my bra, so that's good. Kind of a little bit of a higher scoop neck. In the back, we've got that open back with the twisty detail. And this feels really nice too. These are really nice materials that they sent me this month, so I'm really happy about that. I appreciate that Marsha went the extra mile to find those for me. So could do a front tuck with this one. This would look cute with white shorts. All right, we have one more top to try on. We're doing good, we're on a roll. I really like this one too. It is a V-neck, showing a little bit of cleavage. Can't see the bra on the sides. It is a little bit short, you can see, but nothing showing if I lift up my arms. I always think that's funny that we do that test, because how often are you doing that? But I like the material. It's got some texture. It's kind of got the contrasting buttons. That is the back. And yeah, I like this one a lot. Right now, my favorites are this one and the pink one, and then the two blue ones I like too. But we'll see. Let's go ahead. This one I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep. Who makes this? GILLI. Of course, well, it'll all depend on the prices, but last thing we have is that dress. Okay, this is the dress. Who makes this dress? I think Market and Spruce. I love the color. It's got pockets. The pockets are a bit shallow. It is too small. It is an extra small, and it is rayon. So if I were going to keep it, I would have to size up for sure. I got lazy and didn't feel like changing my bra, so I just put the straps down, but I think it works okay. So this is the back, and it does hit me kind of at that, it wouldn't be a good dress for dinner because, like I said, I do like to wear heels, but it would be a good dress for, you know, maybe a travel day, or, you know, running around making errands, running errands, not making errands. Come up a little closer, and let's adjust the camera. So it is too tight. It was kind of tight trying it on. I like the halter in the back. I only buttoned one button. It's got two buttons, but it was kind of challenging to get them. It is rayon. I did finally find the material tag, and it is very wrinkly. And it's that kind of rayon that you know is going to wrinkle. So I'm going to sit down and it's going to be wrinkly. So I think I may pass on this dress, even though love the color, love the style. The rayon, I think, is just going to make it a no. What do you think? Okay, I'm going to adjust the camera again, give you one look from head to toe, and then we'll do prices and a recap. Okay, cute dress, but some issues. Yeah. All right, let's do those prices and recap. Okay, that was an awesome fix. Yes, those were awesome picks. And it says, your outfit cards are now online. Find them in the Fix tab on our site or app, or scan the QR code. So there's a little QR code there. It no longer tells you what number fix it is, which is kind of disappointing because I was getting close to 100. And even though I knew that was going to be wrong because of the fix that went missing, it's kind of disappointing that I won't get to see that. Anyway, first world problems. Okay, so Market and Spruce, the Marsha halter neck dress in navy is $78. And this is actually a small, not an extra small petite. So I would have to go up to a medium because it was just too tight. So I am going to pass on this because although I like the styling and the color, I'm just worried that rayon would just be constantly a wrinkled mess. Liverpool sleeveless boat neck rib knit top, and they're calling it red. This is $59, which Liverpool tends to be pricey. I will go ahead and check their site and online to see if I can find it anywhere else any cheaper, because Stitch Fix will price match. But I really like this, so I am going to keep this. This is a keeper for sure. You know, when I first opened the box and did the unboxing, I thought we might have a 5 for $5, but because I'm not keeping the dress, a couple of the tops that I was kind of about, I'm not going to keep them. Then we have the GILLI button front ribbed and knit tank in black. This is $38. I think that is a very fair price, and I liked it a whole lot. Those two were my favorites, those two tops, so I'm keeping both of them. Now the 9 BRITTON Breanna V-neck knit top in indigo is $39, And the other thing, it has like a seam. Can you see? Yeah, seam down the back. And is there one down the front? I like the material. I didn't love it on. If this was a 5 for $5, I definitely would keep it. But because I didn't love it on, I am not going to keep it. The neck and the sleeves, I don't know. The combination, I didn't. Sorry about that. My husband was calling and he's went out of town this morning, so I needed to take that. Okay, then we have the 9 BRITTON, and I hope I didn't already go over this. The 9 BRITTON Breanna V-neck knit top, which I've already said is more of a scoop neck. This is $39, which is a really good price. I really like the material. But yeah, it's going to be a no because I didn't love it. And then the Staccato Roxanne back cutout knit tank in blue. This is $35. I might keep that. I just think it's cute. I think the cutout detail is cute. I'll try it on again. So I think I'm going to keep those 3 tops. The Stylist Pick subtotal is $249. If you buy all 5 items, you do get the 25% discount, which is super generous, and that would have taken off $62.25, bringing it down to $186.75. Now, if you pay a $20 styling fee, they would deduct that from whatever you purchase, but I don't pay that because I have this style pass. So I am keeping 2 for sure, and possibly 3 tops. So yeah, good box, really good box. Really like, love these 2. Really like this, so I'm going to try it on again because it's a good price. All right, another winning box by Marsha. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you will give me that like. Leave me a comment. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps my channel grow. Okay, and there's Lucy again. If you don't like cats, I apologize, but cats, they do what they want to do. And until next time, fashion friends, don't forget to dress like you mean it.